Hi, in this video I will show you how you can set up your Nikon Z camera to have a better autofocus performance while shooting photos and also video. I will show you on a Nikon ZFC, but you can follow along with your Nikon Z camera and find the similar option, as they will be maybe one number different. For example, I'm doing G3 and your option might be on G5. So let's have a look at my screen and see how we can set these up. So we are now in my camera menu. All we need to do is go down to custom settings menu, and from here we need to go to A. In this case we will look at focus tracking with lock on, so in this case A3. We go to A3 and we put this all the way to the left to quick, so that is 1. We press OK, and now we go one step back and go to G and go to AF speed. In my case this is G3. So at G3 we set AF speed to +5 to faster, and when to apply we have to set it on always, and we press OK. Next up we have AF tracking sensitivity. On G4 we go in there and we set this to high, so in my case we set it on 1 all the way to the left. Okay, and now this is all set up. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I hope you see an improvement in your photography. Leave a comment if you found this useful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.